This is Ranjan Sharma, your coach and trainer for AutoCAD for all kind of AutoCAD queries, and welcome to my channel AutoCAD Connoisseur. I'm here to solve most of your AutoCAD queries, and today's topic would be how to basically use the system variable called file dia. This system variable is of very high usage. Sometimes when you get stuck up in AutoCAD, when you type save as command, import command, export command, then you are not able to see the save as the window. So before starting this video, I would humbly request you, please kindly like this video and share this video and kindly subscribe to my channel. Alright, without wasting any time further, let me take you guys to AutoCAD. Okay, what I am talking about is, see, this is a ordinary kind of drawing which you must have seen. This is an architectural type of drawing, okay, with the elevation. Now when I just want to save this file to another name, I type save as. When I type save as, it is not showing me any window, it is just showing me enter file format, and there are various file formats like 2000 LT, 2004, something like that, but we don't know, we don't need this. So what to do? Sometimes to my excitement also, I go to file and I'll type here, I just select save as. I need to save this file, save as this file, but still there is no window coming. What has happened? Then I go to export, there is no window coming. Then I go to import, there is no window coming, no save as window, no import window, no export window. So what has done? So please pay attention, friends and students. There is a system variable called file dia. File dia. When you enter, see, the new value of file dia is 0. Just to teach you and just to prepare this video, I have entered the value 0. 0 means off, 0 means no, but here I will enter 1. 1 means on, 1 means yes. As of course you know that the entire computer works on the concept of yes, no, true, false and on, off. So 0 means false, 1 means true. Now after pressing 1, you can type enter. When you type enter, this system variable has become active. Now you see the advantage of this. Now when you go to file and when you say save as, it will definitely open a window. Now here you can type any name, like a try file, like a try drawing, any name. You can save it on desktop. You can even change the file format 2000, okay, and you can save it now. So make sense? We can save once again. We can go to export, the window will open. But before that, there was no window was opening, even for export or even for import. There was no window opening. And the most painful is that upon clicking save as, no window was opening. I'll just show you it again. Please pay attention. Now what I do is, I'll say file dia, enter, and I make it 0, enter. Now see, when you go to save as, no window is going to open. So this is very painful. Draftsmen or the architects, they are astonished that what has happened. There is something serious happened. No, my dear friends, my dear students, there is no need to panic. You just need to press escape. You need to type file dia, do it one, enter, and you will see the window. So make sense? So up till now we have seen how to make best usage of system variable called file dia. Students and friends, there are many system variables. I keep making videos for all kind of this stuff. So it's my humble request to you that please comment in the comment section that what kind of videos you want to see. I make videos for beginners, for mediocres, for experts. So if you give 100 likes or 200 likes to my video, in the next video I'll be taking up some more system variables. Till then, thanks for watching. Good day, goodbye, thank you.